Just in case. My car, and where is this noise? Oh yeah, there's a noise. Nope, nope. I know what it is. It's that zombie kid. Yep, I'm not stupid enough to do that. Let's throw something down there. Grenade. Drop, 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 drop. Shit. Big mistake. Where's the zombie? Where's the zombie? Where's the zombie? Fresh zombie flesh. Okay, now go. Here we go.
Damn, wow, that's all kinds of fucked up.
Shut up, kid. Fuck you. Poor kid. He's got train set and everything on there, man. Shit, he was set. Something else here. Where's that baby guts? Nope. You can't take the baby guts. Alright, fuck it. Something else down here. Let's go check it out. Shit, where's my air level? I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna die. What? That's it? Oh, there's more. Oh, fuck. Which way did it come from? That's not it. It's this way. Nope, I came from that way. I was going up. I think. Nope, no, that's the car. Okay, I was going this way. Get some more air real quick. Where are you leading me, damn it? Oh, you fucker. Shit. Feels like it's a trap. Okay. I'm not really sure about this. A little too worried. What? This is it? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Which way is it? Poor bastard didn't make it. Come on. I think it went around in circles. Can't see. What is that? The light.
Hey, listen,
Hey.
please. Oh, Christ. Shit. Okay, I'm listening.
There,
Survivor.
in there, that's my child. Don't let him die of hunger. Don't let him suffer.
Too late. What do you got? I'm still listening. What? $10. Oh, still bolt. Give me that. What else do you have? Hello, hello, hello. Ah. Ooh. I was like, fucking, I was worried I was gonna have to go all the way back. I was like, God, dude, it's just gonna piss me off. I have to go all the way back for some stupid shit. Nope. Here's the exit. There's somebody above me, too. Or below. Hello? Hi.
Nice crossbow. Boys hunting something?
Yeah, a goddamn monster that's been stealing our food.
I shot it, but it ran and hid in this cave.
Did you not see it in there? Probably for the best, since it was wounded and all.
That statue. It's a lighthouse. Never mind, not a statue. Who the fuck was that up here? Oh fuck, they died. Oh, no, 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 wrong button, wrong button. Oh, no. Too quick. He's too quick. He died really quick. Give me it. Why won't you give it to me? Oh, I'm full. Son of a bitch. What damage is it? 100. Only 1,000. Let's get rid of some shit. 14. You can dismantle it. Dismantle. Okay, whatever. Wait, what? Thought I dismantle it. Oh, it's left. Yes. Yes. Maybe I could sell that. Oh, shit. Zombie? What was that? Yeah. Let's see what's in there. Motherfucker. Come on. It's like a hairline. Nope. Up, down, up, down. Got it. It's probably shit. Oh. Pistol. 1,200. Okay. Dismantle. Oh, my fucking eye. My eye just got watery all of a sudden. I don't know what happened. It's too dry in here or something. Wait a minute. Meet the mechanic. Meet what? Whatever. Oh, where's that at? Fuck. Okay, let's walk all the way back. Oh man, seriously, my eyes just start fucking up all of a sudden. It's hard to see. Suckers can't get me. What is that? Oh, it's the park. Fucking park. Who's that? Is it living or?